Chapter 1: The Festive Drums. Kemi was a bright and spirited girl with a heart full of curiosity and a smile that lit up any room. She lived in a cozy little house in Lagos, Nigeria, surrounded by the bustling sounds of the city. Today, she couldn't contain her excitement as she prepared to share her Nigerian heritage and the upcoming festivals with her friends. As the sun began to rise, Kemi gathered her friends under the shade of a big mango tree in her backyard. She clapped her hands and said, "Welcome, everyone. Today, I want to tell you all about the magical festivals we celebrate in Nigeria." Her friends sat in a circle, their eyes wide with anticipation. Kemi took a deep breath and began, "One of the things that make our festivals so special is the lively rhythm of the traditional Nigerian drums. They fill the air with joyous beats and bring everyone together in celebration." She explained how drumming was deeply rooted in Nigerian culture and played an essential role in festivals and gatherings. Kemi shared stories of her parents and grandparents dancing to the rhythmic beats of the drums, their bodies swaying to the music, and their faces glowing with happiness. "The drums tell stories," Kemi continued. "They communicate emotions, they call people to dance, and they bring communities together in harmony. When you hear the drums, you can't help but move your feet and feel the rhythm in your heart." Kemi invited her friends to join her in a little drumming session. She handed out colorful handheld drums and encouraged her friends to tap the drums with their fingers. Soon, the air was filled with a joyful cacophony of beats and laughter as they created their unique rhythms. Kemi's friends were mesmerized by the power of the drums and how it brought them all closer together. They couldn't wait to learn more about the upcoming festivals and experience the magic firsthand. As the sun set on their drumming session, Kemi and her friends exchanged stories about their own musical traditions. They realized that, despite their different backgrounds, the love for music united them all. With smiles on their faces and a newfound appreciation for the significance of drumming, they said their goodbyes, eager to continue their cultural journey with Kemi in the upcoming chapters. Kemi knew that this was just the beginning of their exploration of Nigerian traditions and the joyous celebrations that awaited them. With her friends by her side, she was excited to delve deeper into the magical world of Nigerian festivals and share the rich heritage that made her heart sing. And so, Kemi and her friends eagerly awaited the next chapter of their Nigerian journey, where they would discover the enchanting beauty of the New Yam Festival and the wonders it held.